Video coming into our newsroom tonight of first responders rescuing people trapped in their vehicles as floodwaters completely covered parts of I-24 this week. Thanks for joining us. I'm Latricia Thomas.
And I'm Mary Beth Mangrum. As people begin to pick up the pieces, there are people wondering what could have been done to prevent the damage and threats to human life. Take a look at this new video from the Chattanooga Police Department. It shows the actions of Officer Montana. You can see her breaking the glass on vehicle windows and helping people to the concrete median.
The water on I-24 rose to just inches away from those windows, and Officer Montana went on to help more people to safety. In the days after the flooding, some people tell us issues with clearing drains could have made the flooding problems worse.
However, the East Ridge Fire Chief tells us there is new discussion since those flash floods about the city's role. News Channel 9's Lily Butler has the story.
Our drains aren't draining properly. So our yard turns into a little pond. So it's killed all of our grass, it stays muddy, and it's just a mess.
This is Madison Farrow's front yard during Tuesday's flood.
It doesn't matter if it rains for an hour or if it rains all day, our front yard is going to flood.
While Farrow says Tuesday's events were more drastic, drains like this one get backed up every time it rains, as this was her yard during the late June storms. The city says drains and ditches on private property, like the one behind this East Ridge home, have to be handled by the residents. Drains they can handle are ones close to the road, like this.
It's our responsibility, but there's no solutions on how we're supposed to take care of it to keep it from washing away.
For East Ridge residents like Farrow, Chief Williams says Tuesday's flood got city leaders talking about broader solutions.
Currently, what the city is looking at is looking to see what can be done in the future for those type of ditches or drainages to assist, our citizens out here.
But for now, those who are cleaning out their own drains and racking up piles of debris like this.
Leaves, natural vegetation, couches, chairs, anything they were to find in that, they could bring it to the road and the city would pick that up.
Farrow says this drain, which does belong to the city, does not flow properly despite city workers cleaning it.
There are light rains that come through that does, have buildup. That buildup, of course, gets larger if it's not tended to. So the city tries to maintain as much as they can.
But Williams says there wasn't much they could do this week, as it was more rain than drains and ditches have the capacity for.
I understand flash flooding and everything like that, but even a couple months back when we had milder flash flooding, our yard was still 2 or 3 feet of water standing in it.
In East Ridge, Lily Butler, News Channel 9.
We know the chaos of the storm killed 4 people, including 1 child. The city of East Ridge says a falling tree killed Tomas Lopez and his wife, Xiomara, and their 3-year-old daughter, Emma. These pictures are from a GoFundMe started to help with burial expenses. It says the family wants to send their remains back to Guatemala so they can be buried together.
First responders found the body of a 4th man as the floodwaters receded. The Chattanooga Police Department says during the storm, the unidentified man ran past barricades into a fast-moving creek. Search crews found his body the next day after an extensive search. Authorities do not believe there is evidence of foul play.